I've seen dark before, but not like this. This is cold, this is empty, this is numb. The life I knew is over, the lights are out. Hello, darkness, I'm ready to succumb. I follow you around, I always have. But you've gone to a place I cannot find. This grief has a gravity, it pulls me down. But a tiny voice whispers in my mind. You are lost, hope is gone, but you must go on and do the next right thing.
Hi guys, welcome to a quick tutorial for the song Do the Next Right Thing. This one is going to be real simple. So originally the song is in the key of A flat, sorry not A flat, E flat, and but I'm doing it in the key of F because a lot of the time when I teach in the black keys, people tend to find it difficult. So I've transposed it for you to a white key. The key of F is very simple. There's only one black note, and that's B flat. So the scale of F is F, G, A, B flat, C, D, F, E. So we're just using mainly white notes in this song. So it starts off by on the note A with the string section there, and then F. So it's just an F chord with the F and A, and then the melody begins. So there's really not too much instruments going on there, but the chord behind it, the undertone behind it, is the D minor chord. So if I play the chord in my left hand, I want to play the melody up here, because then I don't have to play the chord down here where it sounds a little bit more muddy. When you hit the C, you're going to hit B flat in your, the chord is B flat. Or alternatively, you could just play chords. So you could have a D minor to B flat. Okay, but if you want to play the melody, it is okay. So it starts with the melody, no chord. The chord lands on the F. B flat, okay? The next chord is C. The melody leads up to C as well, to E. Then it's going to be an E in your melody, and the left hand chord is going to be an F chord inverted, and just played as a shell chord. So I have A and F, followed by a B flat chord. That's within the same bar. So you have a D by its own, B flat by its own in its own bar, C in its own bar. Then you have an F and a B flat. They share the same bar. So, and then it sort of repeats that same phrase again. So this time it says, the life I knew is over. C, F, so it's hello darkness, I'm ready to succumb. So I'll follow you around. I always have. That's B flat. Just take note of when the chords are landing, because C, that's fine. So then when you land on that, you're gonna hit the F chord, and then the B flat follows straight after. this grief. Okay, so start from this grief again. This time is just the melody. Okay, then you have a G chord inverted, and then an A chord inverted to a D minor. So I'll do that again. Okay, it's just a D minor chord. C chord, F chord, B flat, F, C, C. Then he gets into this section, which I will get into soon. So now let's just go over the chords for the entire song. Make sure we have the chords. So D minor, B flat, C, F, B flat, D minor, C, F, B flat, D minor, B flat, C, F, B flat, D minor, B minor, C, C, and then the melody just runs by itself. G, A, D minor, C, F, B flat, F, C, G. So alternatives I did there at the end, I went to a G minor instead, because the second note, the second degree in your scale can be substituted for the 5. Okay, so the 2 can be substituted for the 5. So that's what I did. So I played a G minor instead. Oh, sorry for bumping the mic there. G minor, C, and then to F. Okay, so it's a pretty simple song. I hope that helps.